Hey, what happened? Get us a seatbelt off and then be back on.
That's it, you're here.
We're here. Oh, that's brilliant. You said, I'm here already.
Scott was flying us, but we're there in 3 seconds.
Looking for new pilot.
We turned the corner and that were in.
Looking for new pilot.
Here we go. I can't wait to hear the engine.
Best bit this.
I like this bit.
I like landing though, mate.
Oh, here
It's
goes.
alright, but I prefer this because you get the power.
I know, but landing's good. You get that bounce.
The wings fall.
You get to feel that force that, you know, brakes.
Yeah.
If we were like that fence, we'll see the planes. Oh, here you go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.